which has been in operation since 1981. And we are mainly, a mid-sized park targeted families with children from 3 till 15 years of age. We've been seeing and trying the ride a lot of times in Europa Park, and what we really liked about the ride was, seeing the families trying the ride together. Another very important issue for us was, the ride feeling, that we were looking for a ride which should be very comfortable without any jerking going around the track. And I must say that after riding a lot of times, and also after hearing, the reviews of our guests, I think we have got now a very, very smooth and very nice ride.